Today I'm going to explain, I think I already covered the above part in another video. So now I'm going to explain about work in progress. In Cryotos, we are right now shows there would be 6 items that is work in progress. Either it would be a work order or schedule, so those details would be shown here. Okay, what would be the number of work records that has been pending? Okay, right now it shows 6 work order that has been pending, and we could also see the details. If you want to see more details, we could collapse our chart. Okay, and if you don't want, you would like to see different type of charts. Okay, what would be the more number of workflows that has been pending? Workflows right now, you could assume it's like a type of work, whether permit to work or breakdown or which type of work that has been in pending. Okay, and you would also see location wise, which location has a lot of pending work order, and you have a lot of different options. Okay, assets, category, assignee, and what will be the form level details. Form is nothing but a checklist here. So what will be the checklist level details? So those many things we could see.